Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's having a good day. Today we're going to do an update on Volt E-New. This is my usual 2 times a week update video on the project. I feel that's the perfect pace of videos to keep up with their fast pace of developments and yet always have new stuff to cover. So let's dive right in. Volt, what is new with them? 2 more exchanges in the last few days. Exchanges number 101 and 102. Which are they? 101 is Paracoin, 102 is Tarmex, both kind of smaller exchanges. Paracoin is an Australia-based exchange that trade on most of the big coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, Polkadot, etc. Tarmex, the spot and futures exchange. They listed Voltinu for the spot exchange. They trade similar coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BSC, Tron, XRP, etc. So good for them. Obviously, the more relevant question is which exchanges are they not on? So Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Huobi, and OKX. So any of those, feel free. The traction is very big, which I'll show you in a second. I'd expect maybe KuCoin and OKX to have interest first. If they do, usually kind of start with those sort of upper tier 2 exchanges, then go to the tier 1 exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, OKX especially. They seem to like these retail heavy coins with big US-based fan bases. But some things they can look at to see if they want to be interested or not. It's mostly bullish things. So BTCX, that listed Voltinu last week. It's now number 8 in terms of the daily trading volumes on BTCX. So there's Voltinu, right behind Tron, right ahead of Dogecoin. So higher trading volumes on that exchange than Doge. That's pretty good. Gets even better than that. Poloniex, this is a very big exchange. It was listed on last week. They're ranked number 28 in terms of daily trading volumes. So Voltinu on that exchange, it's the number 2 most traded coin each day, right behind Bitcoin, right ahead of Ethereum. So again, higher trading volumes for Volt on BTCX than Ethereum, and it's the number 2 most traded coin on that exchange. Bigger exchanges, check it out. You might want to become interested. Then Voltichange, this is the cross-chain swap that is on the Voltinu blockchain right here. It's in their ecosystem, so this is separate than when Volt gets listed on an outside exchange. This is the cross-chain swap. You can, swap Volt for other coins occasionally for discounted fees. Voltichange, the name. It was trending on my Twitter the other day here, or this was somebody else's here, but I also noticed it was trending on mine, 8,300 tweets in the 24-hour period before, so that's good. Obviously, you see a lot of Volt Army, you see a lot of Volt trending, but I haven't quite seen Voltichange trending, so this is very impressive right there. What else? Obviously, the tweet volume going along with that keeps going up. So right here, there were 13,000 Volt tweets in the 24 hours a day as of last week, or a couple days ago. That puts us ahead of SHIB and Doge in terms of total tweet volume. So Bitcoin, Ethereum are the most tweeted coins. And then on this particular day, it was at the end of last week, Volt is number 3, right ahead in Shiba Doge. So the most of all meme coins. Very impressive right there. So now Volt, they're 1 year into their project here. They've been around exactly a year. So they pretty much met all their, the roadmap at the beginning of the year. It only had 4 stages on it. So now I'm moving on to stage 5. So we've never really seen this with projects before. Not only do they meet all the milestones on their roadmap, but you can only make a roadmap so far out when you start the project. So you can have 4 detail stages like right here. Volt's pretty much completed them all. They got Voltichange listed. They got the NFT collection, the Volted Sailor Dragon listed. They did the migration to Volume 2 about 4, 5, 6 months ago. Dashboard, that got completed. 10,000 holders, that's completed right there. I think that they're a little bit closer to around 50,000 right here. So they are pretty much right on pace with all their roadmaps. So what will Stage 5 have in it? I don't know. We shall see. There's also special giveaways. I followed them on Twitter, so it showed you the Volted Dragon Sailor Club. That's their NFT collection. They have some pretty cool collections right there. They gave away three random pieces to buyers in the previous 24 hours yesterday. And then again, those pieces are kind of pricey. They're between, 0.5 and 1 ETH. So giving away 3 of them, that's pretty free. All you had to do was retweet and then see if you won. Also, like this one exchange here, Change Hero, you could buy or sell Volt for no fees on them for 1 day. So that's pretty big. The fees, for any sort of meme coin can stack up from day to day. So you can buy them without a fee for a day. Check it out. That's good right there. Also, Volt, they're always doing a bunch of token burns, which is good. Like here was the other day, they burned $2,300 USD in terms of total token burns. So that might not sound like a lot, given that the market cap's in tens of millions of dollars. But if you add it up, $2,300 in one day, in a week, that's $15,000. In a month, that's $60,000. And in a year, that's close to $1 million. So since most of these medium-sized market cap projects are really just one man, 1 to 2 person operations, that's a lot of money that's for a dishonest project. The founder and his co-founder would just, take on their own, which they'd be allowed to do if they're not doing token burns, and they didn't state they were. But that would obviously drive the price down. So with these coins, you always want to make sure that they're burning the token supply. Again, that doesn't raise the price. It just prevents dumping in the future, which lowers the price. And as I mentioned before, in celebration of the 1 year anniversary, they are nominated for Meme Coin of the Year right down here at the upcoming Gokstein Media Annual Web3 Awards. That's going to be December 29th. You can vote online for that on the Gokstein Media Twitter page, or you can vote for any of the other ones, like Maxi of the Year, Most Influential Man Female of the Year, IRL Event of the Year, Project of the Year, etc. But Meme Coin of the Year, that's the one Volt is nominated, with Shiba Inu and mostly some other bigger meme coins. So definitely cast your vote there. And that is it. Drop some lightning bolts if you are part of the Volt Inu community. Love hearing from you guys, or just drop a comment down below if you're part of any community. Be back tomorrow with a new episode. Ben Crypto signing out. Catch you later.